Sam Toys.
What a bad weather today. And the wind getting stronger and stronger. I think I'd rather go to school quickly, before I fly away. Good morning, Mrs. Miller.
Yes, good morning, Mrs. Miller.
Good morning, Mrs. Miller.
Good morning, children. Happy to see you all. The weather is terrible today. Well, Norman, did you do your homework?
Homework? Oh no.
Oh no, what was that? A tree fallen in the front of the door. The door is blocked. We cannot get out here. We have to get help somehow.
Oh no, the big tree has fallen and is blocking the door of the school. I have to try to pull the tree aside. No, I have no chance. The tree is too heavy. We need help from Fireman Sam. I can call the fire station with my mode. Hello, this is Mike. We urgently need help at the school. A tree blocks the exit of the school.
Sam, Cridlington. There is an emergency at the school. Move out with Jupiter. Immediately.
Hello Mike. What's happened?
Hello Sam. Hello Elvis. Nice to see you. The big tree blocks the door of the school.
I see. That's a really pretty big tree here. Elvis, first we have to put on our helmets. Flying branches can be really dangerous. Elvis, I think we'll try it with the rescue scissors first.
Alright Sam. Hopefully we can cut the big tree with it. No, it doesn't work on that way. The tree is just too thick.
Then we have to use the winch of Jupiter. With the help of the winch, we can pull the big tree away from the door.
Okay Sam, the rope is attached. Let's start pulling.
Alright.
Okay, that's enough. The door is free.
Boa. Finally free. Thank you.
No problem, Norman.
The tree already seems to have been rotten. We are lucky. Nobody was hurt. And again, an exciting adventure in Pontypandy comes to an end. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up or even leave a subscription to enjoy more Fireman Sam movies in the future.